Here are terrible mistakes that can put your channel in trouble. The last one can put your channel in danger of being hacked by hackers, which means that all your videos, subscribers and watch hours will be gone in just a minute. So to avoid this, watch this video to the end. Welcome back to Finanium, and in case you are new to this channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I will be bringing videos that helps your channel grow faster every Saturday. Now the first mistake I want to show you is no returning viewers. When viewers are not returning is a very great mistake. Returning viewers are just as important as new ones, especially if they have history of watching lots of your video for a long time. So I'm going to show you in few seconds from now how to make viewers come back and watch your video, because if viewers don't come back, it's a red flag, as YouTube is going to assume that your content is not good enough, and that is why audience are not being retained. And if YouTube is going to be assuming your channel to be like that, they are not going to promote your video. Now let's check the popular channel called Tommy Init. If you scroll down, you'll notice that his channel is divided into sections which look really full and engaging. This will make audience stay longer on his channel and watch more of his videos. And of course, as you can see, the channel has lots and lots of views from this audience. Now here is how to do it. Come up to your YouTube studio, open customization, and then click layout. Here you can add templates like popular videos and charts, and to take it to the extra level, you can add creator playlists with amazing names. That way viewers can view a whole lot of your videos using the playlist. Now the second mistake I want to show you in this video is not adding ink screen to your videos. Now what is ink screens? It is a unique method used to promote your past videos that are related to the ones you are currently making. The thumbnail of the video pops up on the screen, or a write-up which will both refer viewers back to the past videos that is related to the present one. When you do this, even YouTube will promote your videos, and of course you're gonna see that your videos will start going viral. Now, how do you add in screens? Now, when you're making a new video, write or choose something at the end of that video that will make viewers want to click on that specific video of yours. And also, you can choose the video that you want YouTube to suggest after playing a current video in YouTube Studio. To do this, you will have to click the channel content in the YouTube Studio, then click editor, and then click choose specific video. This is very important to keep your channel going, and this way your old videos will have more views, and then YouTube will be able to promote those old videos. The next mistake I want to show you is weak brand. Now, if you must get people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, it is essential to get a strong brand. Now let me show you the simple setting that makes this a lot easier. Now go to your YouTube studio, go to customization, then click branding. Here you can upload a custom image for your channel. It can be a picture or a logo. This will show up as watermark at the bottom right of the viewer screen, and also help viewers easy willingness to subscribe to your channel. And of course, don't forget to add the banner image. Now the fourth mistake I want to show you in this video is called inconsistent video description. Now you will want your videos to be as consistent as you can get it, as consistent as possible. The same keywords, links, and even tags. This will help the algorithm to be familiar with your videos and your kind of audience, so that it doesn't ignore your videos, thereby sharing it to your audience on time and then making your videos go viral. Now to do this, go to setting, then upload default, and then input your link and desired description that will stay the same from video to video. And of course, after doing this, you will not have to waste any more time filling it again when uploading a new video. You will want to spend your time on things that matter, like making the content itself. And another mistake to avoid is leaving your visibility the way it is. Make sure to change it to unlisted. You'll thank me later for telling you this. Now the fifth mistake I want to show you in this video is non or irrelevant keywords. Now what are keywords? Keywords are the words that you input in your channel that helps the algorithm to know the kind of people that are your audience. It helps the algorithm to locate the people that are searching for the same words, and then it knows that these people are your audience. In other words, it means that keywords are very essential to make your channel grow faster. Now how do you set relevant keyword? Stay on the same spot, go to channel, and here you're going to make sure that viewers can find your channel, because you're going to be using the relevant keywords that will make them find you. Now this is very important if your channel name can be used in lots of videos. For example, dream, this channel name can be used in lots of other content. For that sake, keyword is very important. The sixth mistake I want to quickly show you is not taking advantage of short videos. Now, watch hours from short are not added to that of long videos on YouTube. However, you can take advantage of your short video views to get more views on your long videos. And to do this, upload a shot from your long videos or even any shot at all. Now when you are through adding all your details before publishing it, go to video element and add related video. You can add another short or a long form video, which works really great when you cut out an interesting part of a long form video that will make people want to watch the full video. Now the last mistake that can put your channel in trouble that I want to show you in this video is leaving your channel at risk of attack. Now before we continue, if you enjoyed this video, please comment I enjoy it and then hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now when your channel is at risk of attack, it is very easy for hackers to hack your channel and all your effort will be gone in just a minute. I will show you how to avoid this in few seconds. Now what you need to do is to turn on the two-step verification, which will be prompted at the top of your YouTube studio after creating your YouTube channel. Click get started and fill out everything accordingly. Now when this setup is done, YouTube will notify you when anyone makes an attempt to log into your account without your permission. Alright, congratulations to you if you watch this video to this point, because with all this setup in place, your channel is no longer going to be at risk. And like I said before, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment in the comment section I enjoy it, then hit the subscribe button. And of course in the description I left a link to how you can make up to $25,000 monthly using other people's content in a step-by-step guide from start to finish. Click the link in the bio and I will see you there. Goodbye.